Hello, I'm Danny, a service coordinator at the Regional Center here in Sunnytown, California. Today, I'd like to discuss requirement number 4 of the HCBS Final Rule, right to be independent. This requirement states that the people you support have the right to make their own choices about their life. They choose where to go, how to spend their day, and who their friends are. Just like when a beer, an ice cream cone, and a Jumbotron screen help Venus support Steven's independence.
Like far out, dude. I'm so glad you picked this epic activity. These seats are amazing.
Thanks, bud. Dexter calculated this is the best place to catch foul balls.
Tubular. So do you want like a snack or something? Popcorn, soda, or my favorite in the world, ice cream?
Let me think. What do I want?
Hey fans, do you like baseball? Do you like home runs? Then you're gonna love Home Run Beer, the beer for champions. Only served at Home Run concession stand on the 7th floor. Must be 21 to purchase.
I want a home run beer.
Right on, dude. I could take you to get one.
Or I could work on my independence.
Like totes. That's a great idea.
Can we practice?
Sure. Do you have your capitalist form of payment?
Check.
Check? I think you need cash, dude.
You're funny. I have my wallet.
Identification, please. Very photogenic. Do you know where you're going?
Remember, Home Run Beer is only served at the Home Run concession stand on the 7th floor.
Yeah, the 7th floor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
And most importantly, do you know how to get back?
We're in section 8, row L, seats 3 and 4.
Right on, dude. Just remember, if you get lost,
Ask a security guard for directions to section 8, row L, seats 3 and 4.
I don't know, sis. Should I have gone with him?
No, Steven needs to be able to do things on his own. I think it was a great call.
Thanks.
Oh, I gotta go, but you both got this.
Yeah, we got this.
Hey fans, are you lost? There are 30,000 people here today, so make sure you remember where your seat is.
Oh no.
I'm lost. Can you help me find my seat?
Did Steven really go get a beer by himself? I wonder where he is now.
Hey, Venus.
Whew, you like totally did it. Good job, dude.
Come on, vampires. I brought my lucky bones for you.
And I got you something too.
What? No way.
Ice cream.
Whoa, how did you know? Are you like psychic?
Venus steps up to bat. She swings, and it's a home run for Steven's independence.
Thank you, Jumbotron dude.
You're welcome.
Huh?
Look at that catch. Put that fan on the field.
Venus may have been tempted to prevent Steven from purchasing a beer or going alone to the concession stand. But by trusting the plan and supporting Steven, she scored him more independence. How can you support independence? Remember, big, impactful change can start with small conversations. As a service provider, being person-centered means listening to the people you support and acting upon what you hear.